Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share a patchwork outside your house. So friends, let's start today's video. Friends, patchwork cushions cover. Our first idea is a patchwork cushions cover. Cushions take different fabric pieces, cut them into equal squares. Now place them on the tables and arrange. Arrange the color in a nice pattern. When you are happy with the design, stitch them together slowly and reverse. After joining our square, attach a plain fabric at the back and zip on bottom. Your color cushions coverage that it will make your sofa look bright and fresh. Origins patchwork. Second idea is an origins patchwork bags. Take an origins and cut them into pieces. You can mix denim with printed cotton fabric. Stitch them together to make a strong fabric sheet. And friends, weavers, now bag hip stitch the side and handle. This bag is strong, stylish. You can use it for shopping or daily use. Patchwork table runners and weavers. Next idea is a patchwork table runner. Cut fabric piece in rectangle shape. Join them in a long line. Add a border on both sides for a clean finish. Place it on your dining table. It's give a warm and handmade look to your home. And friends, patchwork wall hanging. And friends, and this idea is perfect for decoration. Cut fabric pieces in triangle or diamond shape. Join them in a creative design. Add a plain fabric at the back for support. Attach a small stick on top and hang it on the wall. Your handmade wall art is ready. So friends, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks for watching my